बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in. So how are you guys? I hope so. You all are fine. So viewers, these are incredible and unique recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are best planter garden recycling craft ideas for you for your home garden decor. Also viewers, I hope so you like these garden decoration ideas. These are very stunning, very beautiful and very unique garden decor ideas for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very unique and very stunning garden decoration ideas for you guys. I'm very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very stunning, very pretty collection for you guys, and hope so you like these garden recycling decoration ideas. Always remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are unique and very stunning ideas for you guys, and hope so you enjoyed these recycling craft ideas. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys.